Have you ever wondered what is it like being a student in the School of Applied Science at Republic Polytechnic? Hi, I'm Siti Nurhaja from the Diploma in Biomedical Science, also known as DBMS. I serve as the president of SAS Club and previously the team managers of RP's Floorball Interest Group. Follow me as I share more about my learning experience in the School of Applied Science at RP. We believe learning can occur anywhere and at any point of time. In RP, you can take advantage of the various learning experiences such as on-campus learning, home-based learning, internships, final year projects, service learning, overseas trips, and so on to deepen your knowledge and develop new skills outside the classroom. In the Diploma in Biomedical Science, we learn about the fundamentals of human anatomy and physiology, as well as the different diseases and treatments. Students can specialize in two different tracks. They are Medical Laboratory Technology or Biomedical Research. Students who are keen to dive deep into the laboratory diagnostics can choose the Medical Laboratory track, while students who are more interested in the molecular research can choose the Biomedical Research track. I personally chose the medical laboratory track because I want to learn more about how different diseases are diagnosed in the laboratories. I believe that I can contribute by bringing innovations into the field with advancement in technology to make a difference in the healthcare industry for the benefits of the future generations. At RP, we are provided with a conducive learning environment with well-equipped and specialized laboratory facilities. The lessons allow us to have hands-on experience and are supplemented with EdTech tools like the use of the VR gear. In addition to the vibrant student life here in RP, there are opportunities to widen our perspective and gain knowledge. We get to go on industry visits and intern at local hospitals and research institutes. To further broaden our industry experience, we are offered a variety of final year projects to choose from. There are also plenty of opportunities to travel overseas for study trips or internships. We get to experience overseas trips to countries such as UK, Australia and Japan to visit universities and biomedical industries. Now, let's talk about the fun part. Interest groups or IGs are also known as CCAs in secondary schools. In RP, there are over 50 interest groups which consist of school clubs, sports and performing arts. These IGs will help you discover your potential and passion in something other than your studies. Talking about discovering your potential, RP recognizes and awards students for their non-academic achievements and for displaying the Republic Code of Honor, such as taking on leadership roles and being compassionate towards others. This year, I received the Meritorious Silver Award for my active involvement in the Floorball IG. I also had the opportunity to attend the Minister Dialogue session and interact with our Minister for Education, Mr. Chan Chun Sing. The common question I often get is, what do you want to do upon graduation? Well, the options are plenty. I can pursue further studies at local or overseas universities or join the workforce to embark on a career in the healthcare and biomedical industry. Want to know more about us? You can find out more at our Diploma in Biomedical Science website or Instagram. Our course code is R1414. That's all from me today. I'm Siti Nurhaja, signing off.
Hi, I'm Evan Hong from the Diploma in Biotechnology, also known as DBio. So, what is biotechnology? It is the study of using organisms and biomolecules as tools to derive products, new technologies, and solutions. You can gain knowledge and skills across the broad spectrum that biotechnology encompasses, from vaccine design to agricultural science and food formulation. The Diploma in Biotechnology equips you with the knowledge to develop solutions that benefit the world. DBio offers two specialization tracks, Biologics or Food and Agrotech. The Biologics specialization track provides you with the opportunity to get creative and leverage scientific knowledge in the development of biological therapeutics such as vaccines to treat diseases. For those of you who are like me, with the aspiration to play a significant role in local and global food security, you may want to explore the Food and Agrotech specialization track. You will gain skill sets in improving food quality and production and develop new nutritionally enhanced foods. DBio will open doors for you in life science research ranging from biologics manufacturing, medical diagnostics, microbiological testing, agri-biotechnology research, food production, and innovation. My peers and I are able to consider pursuing careers in a wide range of industries and are poised to take on roles such as biologics production technician, assistant agricultural scientist, assistant food technologist or researcher, and food and microbiology specialist. In DBio, you will also experience the real-world impact of biotechnology as you embark on collaborative projects and at least 5 months internships with major companies in the industry. Students who want to develop greater independence also have the opportunity to embark on overseas internship. Interested to know how the industries and culture are like overseas? Here are some examples of students' overseas trip allowing DBio students to gain overseas exposure and practical experience. In DBio, hands-on activities let the students' minds grow and learn based on the experiences and the environment they are exposed to. Students can learn while discussing, investigating, creating, and peer learn with other students. Regardless of in-campus or field trips organized within and outside of curriculum, students get to relate what they learned in the modules to real-world scenarios. With the wide range of facilities in RP, we, as students, get to hone our lab competencies to prepare us for the current and emerging industries. Here are some of the facilities that students get to experience learning in DBio. As our CCA, the Eureka Interest Group organizes various biotech-related activities such as service learning, biotech exploration, and healthy living workshops to engage students and form a close-knitted community within the diploma course. We are also given the opportunity to participate in a myriad of competitions. Through intensive training and guidance by the lecturers, we evolve to become future-ready professionals using our scientific skills to create innovative solutions. My seniors who have graduated have also embarked on various career and study pathways and are actively contributing to the diverse biotech industries. So, how is life as a student in DBio at RP? If I were to use one word to describe my learning journey in DBio, it will be fruitful. Through opportunities as the Eureka Interest Group Vice President and Peer Support Leader, I honed my leadership skills through organizing activities for my peers. I was motivated to apply the knowledge gained and skills learned to clinch the Singapore Food Agency Diploma Scholarship and Sustainability Scholarship Award. Want to know more about us? You can find out more at our Diploma in Biotechnology website or Instagram. Our course code is R16. Hope to see you in DBio at RP.
Hi, I'm Megan Ng from the Diploma in Pharmaceutical Science, also known as DPHM. So, what is pharmaceutical science about? Well, there are 4 major areas that you'll learn in this course. Firstly, the drug discovery and development process, where we learn about how a new drug or therapy is discovered and developed. We will then discover further on the manufacturing components, about how a product is formulated and manufactured, as well as being evaluated for quality. Next, we learn about different medical conditions and how the drugs are used to improve or treat a patient's condition in the clinical pharmacy area. Lastly, we will be taught about how the product is approved for the market and how it can be commercialized. To illustrate further on what I had mentioned earlier, 2 tracks are offered to our students, where we can choose to specialize in the area we are interested in from 2nd semester in year 2. We will be taking different modules to prepare us for our future career opportunities. For example, if we specialize in the pharmacy practice track, we will learn more about the clinical pharmacy area, whereas those that specialize in the industrial pharmacy track we'll learn more about good manufacturing practice, commercialization, and development. Personally, my journey at RP has shaped me to be a rational problem solver. The problem-based learning teaching pedagogy has also made me more team-oriented. I've become more confident and better in time management. I've learned how to juggle well between school, CCA, as well as part-time work at the same time. I chose to specialize in the pharmacy practice track. You might wonder how I came to this decision or why I even decided on DPHM. Since young, I am determined to be involved in the healthcare sector, and I am always fascinated about how different drugs work. I felt that the relevant pharmaceutical skills that I will gain from this course really gives me a push towards this decision. Next, let me share with you my learning experiences in this diploma. We've participated in many laboratory activities where I have learned about lab etiquette, as well as gotten the chance to compound my fair share of various drugs. Recently, I was given the opportunity to visit a laboratory at SIMTech, which is the Singapore Institute of Manufacturing and Technology, to widen my exposure to the pharmaceutical industry. Lastly, as an appointed executive committee member in the School of Applied Science Club, SCS Club, and a member in Pharmaceutical Interest Group, I have been given extra opportunities to interact with pharmacists from the pharmacy profession as well as hone my leadership skills. As a secretary of SCS Club, I learned to organize events or be involved in various diploma outreach activities. In addition, I had chances to participate in various workshops or conferences. Recently, I was nominated by my club advisor to attend the Forward SG Dialogue session with the ministers at RP. All these opportunities have helped me to learn and grow as an individual. I always feel recognized for all the hard work and effort that I have put in, not just in my academics. Want to know more about us? You can find out more at our Diploma in Pharmaceutical Science website or Instagram. Our course code is R22. And that's it from me. I appreciate your attention.
Greetings, I'll be sharing more about Diploma in Applied Chemistry, also known as DAC. Hi, I am Bernice Wong from the Diploma in Applied Chemistry, specializing in the Materials Science track. I serve the school as an EXCO member of Makers IG and a member of Defining IG. In DAC, we explore the wonders of chemistry. Join us as we embark on the journey to discover how atoms, the building block of all matter, interact to form the product we use today, from pharmaceutical drugs to perfumes. You will be trained to formulate, process, and analyze chemicals and materials in the laboratory. Depending on your interests, you can choose to specialize in either material science or industrial chemistry. In material science, you learn about the technological advances in material science and engineering that transform the world in aerospace and electronic industries. And in industrial chemistry, you explore the chemical and physical processes to transform raw materials into products that are beneficial to humanity. I chose to specialize in material science track. You can gain first-hand experience of the work environment and participate in innovative research projects through industry projects and internships with renowned companies such as Procter & Gamble Company, Avonic, and 3M. It provides an opportunity for you to apply skill sets, techniques, and classroom knowledge gained to real-life situations. In DAC, we value learning outside of the classroom as it provides students with a real-world context and exposes them to a range of career possibilities. One way of learning outside of the classroom is through student overseas trips to countries such as Korea, Australia, and China, where students are asked to put into practice the theories they have learned in class. As a DAC graduate, you can look forward to job opportunities in a wide range of sectors such as energy and chemicals, aerospace, food manufacturing, electronics, pharmaceutical, and healthcare sectors. For further studies, you can pursue a degree in a local or overseas university in various disciplines including chemistry, pharmaceutical, material science, chemical engineering, and biomedical engineering. Makers Interest Group, also known as Makers IG, is one of the CCA that students from this diploma can join. There is a bi-weekly Thursday session which involves hands-on workshop that can spark innovation and creativity. One example is the heat transfer printing workshop, where students will design their own tote bag. As an EXCO member, our role is to plan and test run the session so as to familiarize with the steps and to guide the members during the workshop. Learning is not confined to the four walls. Through field trips and industry visits, students can visualize and relate it back to the concepts taught in class. These are the photos taken during the industry visit to Sabing, a polymer processing plant. At DAC, students get a chance to attend the chemistry workshop, which complements the knowledge gained from the modules we take. In organic synthesis, students learn how to synthesize, extract, and purify banana oil using reflux setup, separatory funnel, and distillation. This workshop allows students to further hone their hands-on skill. Other workshops include the soap making workshop, where students learn how to make their own soap bars and add a touch of their own creativity. In everyday lessons, students will not only be tied to interactive slides, but there will also be lots of hands-on activities, be in the laboratory or classroom, that will aid in making our learning fun. One example is the resin coaster making workshop, where students explore on thermosets in A216 polymer chemistry by making their coaster using epoxy resin kit. Want to know more about us? You can find out more at our Diploma in Applied Chemistry website or Instagram. Our course code is R17. Join us and discover your passion with us today.
Hi, I am Alia from the Diploma in Environmental and Marine Science, also known as DEMS. The Diploma in Environmental and Marine Science tackles knowledge and issues related to sustainability, climate change, and conservation of nature. I will be pursuing the Environmental Management and Technology Specialization track in this coming semester, and I hope to apply the skills and knowledge gained from this diploma to the environmental services sector in Singapore. In addition to academics, I am also actively involved in 2 interest groups at RP. I am a member of the Marine Science Interest Group, and I hold a secretary position in the School of Applied Science Club, SAS Club. I chose to participate in 2 IGs so that I'll be able to contribute to more events which align with my passion to conserve the environment and at the same time hone my leadership skills. A little more about my diploma. After completing our discipline modules covering topics such as Earth and Climate Science, terrestrial and marine ecology, environmental data analysis, environmental management, and sustainability reporting, we will then select our specialization track. As mentioned, I have selected the Environmental Management and Technology track, which prepares DEMS students with the knowledge to develop sustainable environment solutions. Meanwhile, the Aquaculture Technology track equips DEMS students to work in research laboratories as well as local fish farms. In our 3rd year of study, we will be given the opportunity to intern at relevant organizations such as NParks and Environment Group and put what we have learned in class to practice. My seniors also had the chance to travel to Taiwan, South Korea, and Japan for their overseas study trip, where they kept themselves abreast with the new emerging technologies in the field of environmental conservation and aquaculture. Life in RP is not only about studies. You can look forward to the module field trips and the exciting student life here. For instance, we get to go to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve for one of the lessons in A227 Terrestrial and Freshwater Ecology module. We are also given the opportunity to represent the diploma and participate in competitions such as the Eco Challenge and the Sustainability Tech Hackathon Challenge. Want to know more about us? You can find out more at our Diploma in Environmental and Marine Science website or Instagram. Our course code is R62. See you!
Hi, I am Le Xuan. I was from the Common Science program, also known as CSP. CSP is a 1-semester program designed to allow students to learn science foundational skills and at the same time be exposed to different specializations. Through CSP, students are able to explore first, decide later. Given that there may be students who are unsure of what they want to do, CSP gives them more time to explore before deciding on the diploma that they want to specialize in. Students can also deepen their science knowledge as they concurrently explore the various diplomas. Through CSP, students are exposed to the series of education and career guidance activities. This allows students to gain insights into the various science sectors and obtain valuable information related to their future career. At the end of the 1-semester program, students can decide and apply for one of these 5 diplomas in the School of Applied Science. They are Diploma in Applied Chemistry, Diploma in Biomedical Science, Diploma in Biotechnology, Diploma in Environmental and Marine Science, and lastly, Diploma in Pharmaceutical Science. CSP students will then join their allocated diploma in Year 1 Semester 2. During the semester with CSP, on top of acquiring the foundational knowledge in science, such as biology and chemistry, students will also be undergoing a journey of exploration and discovery to help them make a more informed decision on the field which best suits their interest. At the Explore stage, students will be introduced to the 5 diplomas offered by the School of Applied Science through workshop, industry talks, alumni, and staff sharing. At the Discover stage, students will be provided with tools to identify their preferred interests and discover more about themselves, such as their strengths and weaknesses. At the Decide stage, students will have to make a decision about the diplomas. Here, students are encouraged to engage their mentors, peer support leaders, ECG counselors during the decision-making process. At the Place stage, the last stage in the CSP journey is diploma allocation, where students are placed into one of the 5 diplomas to continue their course of study. ECG is a big and essential part of CSP. During the semester, students would be introduced to the 5 diplomas offered by the School of Applied Science through diploma packages, videos, ECG counseling sessions, hangout with program chairs, CSP workshop, and interactions with mentors and peer supporters. Through these activities, students are able to discover more about the diplomas as well as about themselves. This is important as it helps students to make a more informed decision about which diploma to continue their studies. Personally, I chose the Common Science program because I was unsure of the diploma that I wanted to pursue. I was also intrigued by a few diplomas, such as Diploma in Biomedical Science, Diploma in Pharmaceutical Science, and Diploma in Biotechnology. During the JAE period, I researched into the various courses offered by the polytechnics, and I realized that CSP could be an option as it allowed me to explore the various diplomas before arriving at a decision. Being in CSP has broadened my horizon as I got to learn more about each diploma. The ECG activities allowed me to gain a better clarity on what each diploma specializes in, as well as the possible career options. My seniors were also very generous in sharing their experiences, and this has definitely helped me tremendously in my decision making. Here is my advice to those out there who are considering CSP. CSP will definitely allow you to broaden your horizons and gain a better understanding of what each diploma does. Be rest assured that you will be given many opportunities to explore and find a diploma that best piques your interest. Always follow your heart and pursue something that you love. Ultimately, it is still your choice on what you intend to pursue. Want to know more about us? You can find out more at our Common Science program website or Instagram. Our course code is R59. See you soon!